If you've ever felt overwhelmed by a cluttered backlog in Jira, you are definitely not alone. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to facilitate backlog refinement sessions, so you can turn that chaos into pure clarity for your team. Stick with me because by the end of this video, you'll know how to run efficient, productive backlog refinement meetings using best practices, and you'll also pick up some practical Jira tips that'll make the whole process so much smoother. Let's dive straight into the key activities that make backlog refinement a real game changer. First up, it's all about structuring your session. One of the most important things you can do is schedule your backlog refinement meetings on a regular basis. Treat these sessions as non-negotiable time that's dedicated to keeping your backlog healthy, just like you would with sprint planning or daily stand-ups. Whether it's every week or every other week, consistency is everything because it ensures that your backlog never gets unruly. Next, let's talk about time boxing. It's really easy for these meetings to drag on and eat into productive work time, so put a strict time limit in place. Most teams aim to keep refinement within 10% of their overall sprint capacity. For example, if your sprint is 2 weeks, consider reserving about an hour each week for refinement. This keeps everyone focused, limits unproductive tangents, and gives your team permission to say, "Let's pick this up next time," if you hit a wall. Remember, refinement is meant to be an ongoing process, not something you finish in one sitting. Critical to the success of these meetings is involving the right people. Make sure your product owner, your developers, and your Scrum Master are all at the table, literally or virtually. Having the product owner present is essential because they own the vision and the priorities. Developers bring the practical expertise, and the Scrum Master helps facilitate the conversation and keeps things on track. Think of it like assembling your superhero team. Each role brings a unique power to the process. Now, let's move into preparing and refining your backlog items. This is where a definition of ready comes in. Establishing clear criteria for what makes a backlog item ready before you refine or pull it into a sprint is crucial. This could mean having a clear description, acceptance criteria, and estimates, or whatever your team agrees on. It's basically your checklist to make sure nothing falls through the cracks. As you refine, it's also vital to reconfirm and prioritize items. Discuss openly what's most valuable for the team to tackle next. Realign as needed because priorities can change rapidly, and your backlog should always reflect what's most important right now. Big stories or epics can be intimidating, so don't be afraid to break them down into smaller, bite-sized pieces. If a backlog item feels vague or too hefty, that's a sign it needs to be split up. Smaller stories are not only less daunting, but they're also much easier to estimate and get into the sprint. During the session, take your time to clarify and estimate. Encourage a safe space where everyone can ask questions. If something isn't clear, don't breeze past it. Dig into the details until everyone's on the same page. Once you have clarity, estimate the size and complexity and talk about any risks. It's better to spend a few more minutes here than scramble for answers during the sprint. And don't forget to declutter. Remove or postpone any items you know aren't relevant for the next sprint or two. Keeping the backlog lean is like keeping your desk clean. It makes everything else easier. Finally, let's talk Jira. Make full use of it to keep your backlog visible to all stakeholders, not just your team, but anyone who needs to understand what's coming up. Record all your decisions, clarifications, and updated requirements directly in the ticket description or comments. This keeps a solid history for anyone who checks in later, and it's a lifesaver if questions come up down the road. As you break up epics or stories, use Jira's linking features to tie related issues together. It's like connecting the dots so nothing gets lost. And there you have it, a structured, practical approach to backlog refinement that will transform your team's workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button, drop a comment below if you have any questions or your own tips to share, and don't forget to subscribe for more Agile and Jira best practices. Thanks for watching. Here's to a happy, healthy backlog.